Need a free COVID-19 test on campus? Pick one up at any of our many CATS TakeAway testing locations. Here are the steps. 1. Scan the QR code in front of the bag. 2. Log in with your NetID and password. 3. If you're a new user, please consent and click the link and log in with your NetID and password to register for a test. 4. There you will watch a 65-second video on how to do the PCR saline gargle test. 5. Once the video is over, click on the blue Continue button. You will fill out demographic information and click Submit. Hooray! Your consent process is done. 7. The next step is to take the test. 8. Click on the TakeAway button on the bottom of the page. 9. Scroll down to the step 2 where it states to scan your tube, click on the red button. 10. Follow the instructions on top of the page. 11. Checkmark all verifications. 12. Click yes or no if you have symptoms, and then link your sample to your NetID by either scanning the QR code on the tube or entering the 7-digit code twice. 13. Click Submit. Note the Submit button will be gray until you have entered the same number sequence twice. Then the button will change color to blue, meaning everything is in order. 14. You will receive an immediate text message or email confirming the specific test has been registered and is linked to your NetID. This is a key step and the only way to get results. 15. Now it's time to swish and gargle. Please complete the PCR saline gargle test. 16. Seal it up and place it inside the white bin at the CATS TakeAway table. Yay! You've completed the TakeAway test. You'll receive results within 24 to 48 hours via email. Thanks for helping to keep the Wildcat community safe.